Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change PIN for Samsung blockchain Keystore crypto wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Next, we go down and tap on Samsung blockchain Keystore. At the top here, tap on change PIN. Now you need to put in the current PIN. After that, you can put in the new PIN. So it said that the PIN cannot be too simple or can be easily guessed. So I need to put in something else. So maybe 202020. Then you need to put in the same PIN again to confirm. And that's it. So now we have successfully changed the PIN for the Samsung blockchain Keystore crypto wallet. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.